my family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make tapioca chips. Please try this very crunchy and tasty. You know what to do when you like the video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. We require tapioca, chili powder and salt. First we cut the tapioca. Peel out the skin. Now we'll slice this. Like this. Slice it like this. Now we'll fry this. In medium flame. Now we'll add salt water mix. Now it's ready, we'll take it out. Put in a bowl. Sprinkle some chili powder on the top. Close and mix it. Now it's ready. My tapioca chips are ready. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget